Leo, Mia, and Jake are playing in the park when they discover a glowing book on a bench. As they open it, Mr. Mannerly, the enchanted book, pops out and invites them on a journey to learn the magic of good manners. He opens a swirling portal, and they step inside, beginning their adventure. The kids arrive in a colorful town where words like please and thank you float in the air like balloons. They meet Polly the parrot, who teaches them how polite words make people happy. They practice saying please when asking for something and thank you when receiving something. In a lush green forest, the kids meet Benny the bunny, who loves to share his delicious carrots. But Sammy the squirrel refuses to share his acorns. When Sammy gets stuck in a tree, the kids and Benny share their food to help him. Sammy learns that sharing makes everyone happy. The kids land on an island where everyone talks, but no one listens. They meet Captain Ears, a friendly pirate who teaches them the power of listening. They play a fun game where they must listen carefully to follow a treasure map. The kids are invited to a grand tea party hosted by Lady Etiquette. They learn about using utensils properly, chewing with their mouths closed, and waiting their turn to speak. A mischievous monkey causes chaos by slurping and grabbing food, but he learns table manners just in time. The kids arrive in a village where words appear in the air when spoken. Harsh words create dark clouds, while kind words bring sunshine and flowers. The kids help a grumpy villager learn that kind words can brighten someone's day. In a magical playground, the kids learn about patience. They must wait their turn on the swings and slides. Impatient Frankie the fox wants everything now, but he learns that waiting can be rewarding. The kids visit a town where everyone helps each other. They assist an old lady carry groceries, help a boy fix his kite, and clean up a park. The town's mayor gives them golden badges for their kindness. The kids meet Tom the tiger, who never says sorry. He accidentally ruins a picnic and won't apologize. A magical mirror shows him how his actions hurt others, and he finally learns to say, "I'm sorry." The kids visit a castle where knights and nobles show respect by bowing, greeting properly, and listening. They teach a rude dragon how to be respectful, earning royal medals. At a magical school, everyone talks at once. The kids learn about raising hands, waiting their turn, and listening to others. A playful owl rewards them with gold stars. The kids climb a mountain where they must always tell the truth. A mischievous chameleon tries to trick them, but honesty helps them reach the top. In a messy town, the kids help clean up. They learn about tidying up after themselves, and the town celebrates with a big parade. The kids return home and say polite goodbyes to Mr. Mannerly. They realize how much they've learned and promise to use their new manners every day. The kids sing a fun, catchy song, summarizing all the good manners they've learned. As the adventure comes to an end, the kids wave goodbye to Mr. Mannerly, who smiles proudly. The glowing book closes, and the words, "Good manners make the world brighter," shimmer on its cover. The kids return home, excited to use their new manners every day.